Alright guys, so we have a 2020 Kia Soul here with a flat tire. And also a dead battery. Okay, let's see if this new tool I have is gonna help us. I've been using this one and I am pretty impressed. Okay, so let's see if we can able to add some air using this tool. Alright, let's gonna go ahead and set it up to PSI. Right now we are 7.5. I'm gonna go adjust it to 35 PSI. Oh, that's all I can go. Oh, you know what? Yep, right now it's 36. Just 35. Oops. Alright, there you go. Put that in and press that one. Alright, so it did stop at 35 psi. I think it took about at least like 2 or 3 minutes to fill this up. Oh, this thing is warm. Alright, now let's see if this guy can jump start it. Alright, so right now it's blinking red and green. Let's go ahead and hook this up. Is it short? Now it stays solid. Let's go ahead and start the car. Woohoo! There you have it, guys. It did start the vehicle. We got check engine light. Let's go drive in. Alright guys, so we made it in. I'm gonna turn off the vehicle. And yeah, the battery is dead. Well, thanks for this new tool from Andeman. It took only like 9% to inflate the tire and jumpstart the vehicle. This is pretty cool tool. There's another outlet here. Ooh, it's hot in here. This is where you charge it, and I think this one can charge your cell phone as well. You can use this one as a battery pack as well. Pretty cool. Alright, let's get out of here. It's hot. Oops. Alright, so honestly guys, this one is pretty impressive. Let's see what else this guy can do. There is a USB port right here, red and black. I'm not sure what's up with the color, but let's try the red one. Let's see if this guy can able to charge my cell phone. I think I gotta turn it on. There we go. Now it's charging. Pretty cool. So you can also use this one as a battery pack. Pretty cool. And what else do we have here? Of course, there is the owner's manual, high inflatable cable. There is a long cable in here, but I'm not sure if this is mine or belong to the kit, because they add one, so I think that's mine, but they added a USB cable in here. You can also use this one to inflate basketball, any kind of balls right here. And they added this too. I'm not sure what is this for. Yeah, it is a pretty decent jump box, and it's not expensive as well. I like it. It is big enough and heavy enough to do a professional job, and it's not a bad idea to go ahead and store one of these in your vehicle just in case you got a flat tire or you need to jump your vehicle, right? This is cool. Yeah, I like it. This one has built-in flashlight as well, right? This is cool. And just in case of emergency, you can get somebody's attention with this flashing light. Awesome, awesome. You guys should have one of these. Alright guys, so this is a Andeman multifunction jump starter. Model number is ePower 177. There you have it guys. Thank you guys for watching.